Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. First of all, my name is Faiz Ahmed. My registration number is 17NTU1089. I belongs to BS Software Engineering Evening. Okay, my topic name is Directory Management in PHP. Okay, let's start. First of all, I will explain about the introduction of directory management. What is directory management? Directory function allow you to retrieve information about directories and their contents installation. The PHP directory function are part of the PHP core. No installation is required to use these functions. Okay, this is also known as directory management. Directory management, if we see in the coding programming, firstly I will explain about the directory. Directory for CHDIR is a directory. Okay, it means change directory. Okay, change directory. If I will explain further, first it CHIR and change directory function in PHP used to change PHP current directory to new directory path. It takes only a single argument as new directory path. This is known as change directory. Okay, in programming how we will use directories. For each new directory iterator, this is a directory iterator as $file. Print file belongs to get path name. Get path name is a directory. This is known as directory management. Okay, these are all directories. File exists is just a file exists. It means file at time. It means last access time. File time, it means last metadata change time. File group, it means group numeric, and so on. File node, file time, file owner, file params, file size, file type, and so on. These are all directories of PHP. Okay. First topic of directory management: getting and setting file timestamps. Okay, file timestamps. You want to know when a file was last accessed or changed. Okay, you want to update a file access or change time. For example, you want each page on your website to display when it was last modified. Well, these file time, file time, file time function, it means they returns a time of last access. It include in the getting and setting file timestamps. How it will work? For example, file time larry.php, file time larry.php, file time more php, last change file time curly.php. I will explain about these directories. File time, how it will work. I explain. A file time function returns the last time a file was opened for reading and or writing. This is a function of file time. Then file time, how it works. The file time, which means function returns the last time a file content were changed. And file time, how it work. File time function return the last time a file contents or metadata such as owner or permissions. These are all directories of file time directory management. These are all directories about gettings and setting file stamps. Okay, next topic, getting file information. getting file information, you want to read the file metadata. It means you want to read the file's metadata, for example permissions and ownership. For this we use a directory uh, stat, which means we can return an array of information about a file. For example, stat arpo.php, the information about of arpo.php, we return an array. Okay, it stat which return an array, return an array with both numeric or string indexes with information about a file. This is a function of stat. Okay. Next, changing file for permissions or ownership. Changing file permissions or ownership, you want to change file permissions or ownerships. It means, for example, you want to prevent other users from being able to uh, look at a file of sensitive data. For this we use a directory command, change modification, chmod. It means to change the permissions of a file. Okay, chmod, for example in programming, for example slash home slash user slash secrets dot text, uh, it means which change the permissions. For example 040, this is a change permissions of file. Okay, C use chown, ownership, change the file owner and change group, change a file group. It means change owner. What is a function of change owner? Change on slash temp slash file my file dot text slash xklar. This is a change owner. This is a change owner. Scalar it, for example specify user by name. Scalar it's a name of owner, we can change. Okay, change group, home slash scalar slash schedule dot text, soccer soccer. So soccer, change group by name. It means we can change the name of group by chgrp directory. Okay. Next, splitting a file name into its component. Okay, you want to find file paths and file name. For example, you want to create a file in same directory as an existing file. For example, use base name to get a file name, and directory name to get a path. Okay, uh, these are these are the examples of splitting a file name into its component parts. For example, in programming, how we will set the path and base name and directory name. Okay, for example, we first of all we set our directory name, sorry, full name, slash user slash local slash php dot ini. We will change the name in the file of php dot ini. Okay, after the select the file of php.ini, then base, we will set that data type base name, full name. Base name, it's a function, php base name function in php is an inbuilt function. It means which is used to return the base name of a file if the path of the file is provided as a parameter to a base name function. This is a function of base name. Then directory name, full name, it means function is particularly useful in combination with a special constant which contain a full path name, which we can include a full path name of our current file. This is a function of directory name. Except this, we use path information to get that directory name. Path information, path info directory used for get the directory name. For example, path info slash user slash local slash php dot ini. This is a directory name. Okay. Next, deleting a file. Deleting a file. How we will delete a file? We want to delete a file. Use unlink directory. Use for this. Okay. First of all, we set a link. File is equal to temp slash chunk dot text. Use unlink directory for delete a file or die. Can't it means die will show error. It means can't delete file. Okay, unlink directory used for delete file. This is a directory of deleting a file. Next, copying or moving a file. How we will copy or move a file. Okay, use copy directory to copy a file. Use rename directory to move a file. Okay, first I explain about copy directory. How we will change how we will use our copy directory. Okay, first of all, we set the link of file old and new file. Both file will set a link. Copy. Then both link put in that directory. Copy parenthesis old comma new. These are old and new files for copying. It means old file will copy to the new file. Okay. Next, use rename directory to move a file. Old in this also we set the link. We will set the link old and new both files. Then rename directory we will use for move a file. This is a function of copy. That copy function return a copy file and rename function return a move file. Next, processing all files in our directory. How we will use process all files in our directory. How we will upload our image. How we will upload a file online. You want to iterate over all files in a directory. For example, you want to create select box. Yes, for example, you want to create select box in a form that lists all the files in a directory. Use for this we will use directory iterator directory. Okay, to use a directory iterator to get each file in a directory. For example, echo select name file. Okay, on we will put the name of select file. For each we will command a new directory iterator. Directory iterator it will it's a function for upload the image, for upload the file. For example, slash user slash local slash image. It at a time it will upload the image. Okay, echo option HTML entities as $file option. This it is uploading of image. This is a function of directory iterator. Uh, further explain ab- Further explain about directory iterator. Directory iterator yield one value for each element in a directory. That value is an object with some handy characteristics. Okay, the object string representation is a file name, for example, with no leading path of a directory element. For example, if slash user slash local slash image contains the uh, file number uh, dot gift and eggplant dot png, this is a file name. We will, for example, I have already told you that I at a time it will upload the image. This is our image file name dot gift and dot png. This is a solution of directory upload, image upload. It means how we will processing all files in a directory. Okay. Then making new directories. You want to create a directory. Okay. For example, then when we will use a command command prompt for create a new folder or new files, we use a command mkdir. It means make directory. Okay, make directory. Its function, it's a function to make our directories. Okay, it's a function to make a files, it's a function to make a folder. See. Okay, next, removing a directory and its contents. You removing a directory and its contents. Okay, you want to remove a directory and all of its contents, including subdirectories and its contents. Use recursive directory iterator. Okay, specifying that children files and subdirectories should be listed before their parents. Function obliterate directory. These are all code of get path name and remove the directories. For example, first of all, I will get a new directory, recursive directory iterator. Then we will put for each loop. Uh, I will put for each loop new recursive iterator. Then child first. Then if I will put if condition f as we put in the upper, then I f is equal to is directory. It's mean for contents. Then remove directories. Remove for directories and dir directory. Get path name. For example, firstly I will get a path name, then remove for I will use this directory, remove directory. Okay, then unlink I have already talked discussed in the previous slide. Unlink use for delete. Okay, then r and dir are remove directory, obligate directory, to means all its contents. These are all function of removing a directory and its contents. Then web server directory listening. This is a most important point of web server directory listening. Web server.php, for example, when I put on the Chrome localhost slash directory name web, for example web.php, it is a web server directory. Okay, provides a view of the file inside your web server document root formatted like the output of the Unix command. File names are linked. It means file names are linked. It means directory.php. It means it include in the local host. Okay. uh, if, for example, suppose if I put wrong name of directory, then it will show file not found. So right, then if I put right name of file, then it will show or its function. Okay, file name or link it that so that you can download each file. Okay, and directory names are linked that so that you can browse in each directory. This is the this is the web server directly listening it this, and this is the functions of these files. These are all function of web server directory listening. Okay, thank you very much.